Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. In this video tutorial, I will show you how to fix an Unreal process has crashed in Mafia the Old Country game on PC. So let's go through the methods. So the very first method is to restart your PC as well as Steam. So for that, click on the arrow icon over here. Now right click on Steam icon, then click on exit. After that, click on Windows icon, then click on power, then select restart. So this will restart your PC as well as Steam, and after that check if the problem is fixed. Next is to verify integrity of game files. So for that, go to the Steam library section. Now select your game. Here I am showing you an example. Now after selecting it, right click on it, click on properties. Now click on install files and click on verify integrity of game files. So after verifying the game files, check if the error is resolved. Next is to update your graphics card. So for that, go to the Windows search for device manager. Now expand display adapter, select your graphics card, right click on it, click on update driver, and then click on search automatically for drivers. So this will check if any update is available for your graphics driver. After updating, check if the issue is fixed. Nvidia and AMD users, go through the link already given in the description and you can easily update your graphics card from there. Next solution is to modify launch option. For that, launch Steam. Now select your game. Under library section, right click on it, click on properties. Now in under general, here you have to type -dx11 and then check if the problem is resolved. If not, again come back and type -dx12 and then try to play the game and check if the error you are coming across is resolved or not. Next is to disable hardware accelerated GPS scheduling. So for that, go to the Windows search for graphic settings. Now after that, here you can see optimizations for windowed game. Reduce latency and use advanced features in compatible games by using this. So here you have to turn this off. If it is on, you have to turn it off, and after that check if the issue is fixed or not. Next is to disable third-party overlay applications. So if there is any third-party overlay applications enabled, such as Nvidia Shadow Play or MSI Afterburner, then you should disable it. This can lead to unexpected issue while playing the game. So make sure you disable any kind of third-party overlay applications from your PC and then try to check if the issue is fixed. If not, then the final solution is to reinstall Mafia the Old Country game. So for that, go to Steam, under library section, select your game, right click on it, click on manage, then click on uninstall, and finally click on uninstall option. So this will remove the game completely from your system. After that, restart your PC and then launch Steam and again reinstall Mafia the Old Country game and then check if the issue you are coming across is resolved or not. So that's all for now in this video. Thank you.